What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers to once again stopping by, spending your time with me, and watching another video. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you like content like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Now in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing of a sneaker that came out about a week ago. Now originally when this sneaker was supposed to come out, I really wasn't feeling it all that much. And I am a big fan of this silhouette actually. I think it's one of the best summer sneakers that Jordan Brand makes. But I just really wasn't feeling it at first. It did tend to grow on me. I actually caught the dub for this sneaker on the Nike Sneakers app. And the package just arrived in the mail, guys. So I'm going to open this up for you now. We're going to get right into it. And I've been hitting on the Nike Sneakers app a lot lately, man. Especially if it's for other people. Alright, so here is the sneaker. It comes in this black box. You got the blue Jumpman and the Jordan lettering in white. And the official size tag on this sneaker reads Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. The official colorway is white, legend blue, white, black, and this is actually a size 10.5. Inside of the box, you have your black garbage paper, and here's our first look at the Jordan 11 Low Legend Blue. Bam! Now my first impression of this sneaker right out of the box, taking a look at it, holding it in my hand, soaking up the entire colorway, it's alright. No, but seriously, this is actually a nice sneaker. It's actually better in hand than I thought it was going to be. And it's just a simple, basic colorway, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like the greatest, Jordan 11 or anything like that. And you do get the patent leather, that goes around the entire sneaker like you do on most Jordan 11s. In this case, it's in white. You do get the white midsole right there. You do have this leather right here. It's not the greatest leather or anything like that. It's actually kind of hard. The leather on like the snakeskin 11 or even the Concord breads is a little bit softer in my opinion, if I remember correctly. You do get this nylon tongue right here. You do get the white rope laces. That's always a staple on the Jordan 11. And then you do get that legend blue Jordan Jumpman branding right there in the center of the sneaker. Now one thing that really sucks when you buy Jordan 11s, especially with this blue translucent outsole that they put on some of them, is that this is going to yellow and yellow very badly. It doesn't even matter if you don't wear the sneaker. Just over time, I guess through oxidation and stuff like that, these outsoles just turn very yellow. Sometimes it actually doesn't look bad, you know what I mean? It just adds a little bit of character to the sneaker. But just keep that in mind, guys. Like, this is one downside of the Jordan 11 when they put this outsole on it. Now here's one detail that some people that probably got this sneaker didn't even notice or missed, and that's the insole actually has the Jordan Jumpman in white, and then instead of the number 23 that you normally get, you actually get a 25 here. And the reason why that they put this insole into this Jordan 11 is because this is the 25th anniversary of Michael Jordan wearing the Jordan 11 Columbia in the 96 All-Star game. This is also the same insole that they used on the Jordan 11 Jubilee that came out around Christmas time this, a couple months back. So, they're celebrating and giving a slight nod to the Jordan 11 Columbia 25th anniversary. But on the back of the sneaker, you're going to get the number 23 right here at the back heel like you always do. And then directly below that, you're going to have that Jordan Jumpman in that legend blue color. Now, I don't necessarily think that this is a must-cop sneaker or anything like that. It is a nice Jordan 11 low. Now, as somebody like me who's a fan of the Jordan 11, whether it's a high or a low, you know what I mean? Like, I recommend picking this sneaker up. It's not a must-cop, but if you're looking for a nice summer sneaker, to wear some light-colored clothing in the warmer months, this is probably a good option for you, especially right now in the resale market. They're not going for crazy amounts of money. You could probably pick up a sneaker like this, like between $230 and $250 right now. And the retail price tag was only 185 bucks, so that's not that bad. Now, long term, guys, if you pick this up to like flip it and resell it, the Jordan 11 Low is typically a really great sneaker to hold, long term. A lot of the Jordan 11 Lows that I have, that I paid $185 for at retail, are now worth like 300, 400 bucks, like the snakeskin. The Concord bread is even worth like 300 bucks. So, these always do go up. A lot of people say they don't rock with them, but they always sell out and the resale prices are always pretty high. Now I got the dub for this sneaker on the Nike Sneakers app, and I've been catching a lot of dubs there recently, especially if it's not for me. And ever since they moved to doing the draws and stuff like that for more hype releases, like, I've been hitting a lot more. I don't know about you guys. Let me know down in the comment section if you are. Now, I didn't get this in my size because I got this for a friend because I believe that I already had my personal pair secured. But I've been having some issues with that, guys. I may be bringing you another video to talk about that situation if things, you know, go sour or something like that, and we'll talk about that. But overall, this sneaker right here, I do recommend picking this up. If you took the L or you passed on it, but now you're thinking about picking it up, I really recommend it. In my opinion, the Jordan 11 Low is as close to a perfect summer sneaker as Jordan Brand makes. You know, and if you have a nice colorway in the Jordan 11, you know what I mean, it will match a lot of outfits and stuff like that. So I do recommend picking it up, especially because resale prices right now are not too bad. And I normally find that Jordan 11 lows fit true to size, so whatever size that you would typically go after in most Jordans, that's the size that you're going to want to pick up in this. But I want to know what you think about the Jordan 11 Low in the Legend Blue colorway. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or was this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching another video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.